Hi guys, it's your girl Ciara, and if you want to listen to what I have to say, then stay tuned.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
So y'all, I know I have been gone for a really long time, but please believe me, it's for a really good reason. So your girl has been restocked and I got a whole bunch of new inventory. So your girl spent $7,000 on inventory, and that's a lot of money just to spending that on inventory. But you know, I'm cool with it just as long as it all sells. And I'm going to go ahead and get to unboxing some of this stuff. Lash tools. Hold on. Let's see what this is. They sent the card. Oh yeah, this is my lash vendor. This is my lash vendor. So I did re-up on the most popular styles that I have for wholesale, as well as some additional styles, and I also got a new treat for you guys. So this is what my wholesale lashes come in, and my vendor separates them by style by putting a sticker on them, and then this is one of actually the new styles that I'll be providing. Isn't that just cute? And these lashes are for wholesale, so if you guys are looking for an affordable and reliable vendor, go ahead and hit your girl up, because everything is in stock. So I have a bunch of lashes here, new styles, and some of the most popular styles that you guys, well, my supporters have been loving so far. And then I'm looking for the new item, another new item. Yep, here it is. Okay, so I was so excited to add this to my website, guys. So these, I'm pretty sure you guys have been seeing around, are lash pins. I have the ones with the diamonds and pearls. And I'm so excited to add these to my site. I also have I have like 150 total, and then I believe I have 50 with my personal logo on it. So I'm gonna see if I can find some of those and put them in a little baggie. Okay, here's more of them. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Can you guys see that? It has my my personal beauty cosmetics logo on it. I'm so excited for these. Let me go ahead and take one for myself so I can promote myself. But yeah, so these, you guys will be able to order you guys some for your brand, and it won't of course have my logo on it. Those are plain, the ones that you'll be able to buy for wholesale. So next, let's go ahead and open some DHL packages. So here's the DHL bag. Tell me what you think this item is. I'll give you like 5 seconds. Okay, that's 5 seconds. Okay, so your girl is now going to be selling bundles. I will be selling hair as well as closures and frontals. I didn't order any frontals just yet, just because I wanted to see how hair personally would be doing on my website. But I believe it's going to do well. These will be available for wholesale as well as individual purchases. And I just want to show y'all what I'm coming with. This vendor, I've honestly been shopping with them for about 2 years right now. I love their hair, and I just finally decided to go ahead and shop with them for wholesale purposes. But y'all, look at this. Like, look at this. I love hair. Like, y'all just don't understand. I love me some wigs, and I just love the hair. There's no corn chip smell, and you know how those vendors off of what's the website called? AliExpress. AliExpress. My vendor, I did find them on Instagram. I have a video up showing you guys how to find specific vendors using Alibaba. That's honestly where the remainder of my vendors come from, is Alibaba. If you guys want a more in-depth and updated, I guess, video on how to find vendors, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll go ahead and get right into that. I just love my hair, y'all. Y'all have no idea. Here are the y'all, I'm in love. So the textures that I have right now are just straight, body wave, and then deep curling. These will be honestly going up on my site today. I do have a lot of people that have been asking me for deep curly, so I know as soon as I upload it, it's going to sell. But if you guys are interested in that, which I will show you this texture, and I am absolutely in love with this hair, y'all. Oh, it's not my camera not focusing. I'm moving too much. But yeah, this is my body wave. I don't want to mess up the front, but do you guys see that shine and that bounce, y'all? Come on, like seriously. I'm in love with my hair. Here's another image of the weft. Can you guys see that? But yeah, I'm in love with this hair. Like absolutely in love. If you guys not shopping with me, what are you doing? Like seriously. Okay, and then the last, I don't want to spend too much time showing this because I have so much stuff to open. So let me start rubbing this hair and actually get more into this video. The next texture, the next and last texture I'm going to go ahead and show you guys will be the deep curly hair. Here's how it looks coming straight out the bag. Oh, I'm so in love. Like, look at this, y'all. Look at how shiny the hair is. Like, yeah, I'm so in love. Here's another image of the weft. And yeah, if you guys aren't shopping with me, what is he doing, sis? Like, I don't know why. I love when hair doesn't smell like corn chips. If you guys know what I'm talking about, comment down in the comment section below, because I know I'm not the only person who used to order hair from like AliExpress and stuff like that, and it used to come smell like corn chips. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into another box. I'm gonna just open the ones next to me first, so I don't feel like getting up. Okay, so here is another box. This one isn't quite so heavy. Just honestly previously stated, I do currently wholesale lashes, right? So I was thinking, why just wholesale lashes when I can also wholesale lash cases? Just in case you guys don't like the case, the holographic case, which is the original case that I purchased with the lashes. If you guys don't like that, guess what? You can buy additional casing for it. So here are some of the cases that I do own. I said own. I do have that you guys can purchase. Give me a second. Okay, here we go. So this one I thought was so cute. It's different. It's a holographic mini purse that you could just throw the lashes in. It does come with a circular lash case that you could just put your lashes on and throw them up in there. And honestly, it is so cute. I saw it on my vendor sent me some pictures of it, and I was just like, yeah, I gotta have it. It's different. You don't see everybody with it, and it'll make your brand stand out, honestly. Okay, so the next one I have are these pink suitcases. I just honestly love these. These can fit 2 pairs of lashes. So if you guys are wanting to do like a $25 bundle for lashes, this case will be perfect for that purpose originally. And yeah, I'm trying to move quickly. so you guys want to just stand here. This is the pill bottle case. They come with a lash tray as well that you can go ahead and put your lashes on. I have been seeing this a lot, so I thought, why not add it to my site just to have a different variety of cases. And then I also do have a variety of these cases. These are just so cute to me. They're different, and yeah, they come with their own case as well. So if you guys, I think I'm waiting for these for not long, actually. They came pretty quick compared to how I know most companies are receiving their items, and really late. But look, it's my wholesale purses. So these won't only just be wholesale purses. There we go. They'll also be available for individual purchases as well. But I love my vendor. I originally just purchased like a few graffiti purses as well as some jelly handbags with my first order. But I decided to expand a little bit more and try out some more different styles that I think you guys would like. And I was getting special requests for stuff like this, so I just went ahead and purchased. So I'm so anxious to put these up on my website. And I have literally so many handbags in here, like it's ridiculous. I just want to show you guys just a few of them. This handbag, literally, oh my gosh. I had to make sure that I ordered at least double of what I did last time, just because this handbag alone sold out within the first week. And here this baby is. Yes, this one sold out within the first week. So I was like, okay, I definitely have to restock on this and make sure I have double. So I want one for myself, but I'm gonna have to wait because, yeah, I'm so excited for it. Every time you guys see me doing inventory videos, I'll be so excited. Like I didn't order it. Okay. Another purse in here. That's a different style. I do also have the jelly handbags that will be available for wholesale as well as just regular retail, as I just stated that before. But I did expand colors. Originally purchased, I believe. Yeah, it looks different. It looks different. But yeah, I'm so excited for these to be restocked on my website, just because these also sold out really fast and I wasn't expecting them to. So when I restocked, I made sure I got a bunch, especially for wholesale purposes, because I'm trying to expand my business to help businesses as well as making women feel beautiful. And I got so much stuff in store for you guys that I want to do for my brand, but I'm gonna be quiet on that for now until everything is in place for those specific things. I don't want to jinx myself or anything like that. So I'm gonna keep on manifesting and making sure that I'm doing what I gotta do so that you guys can see my growth. Okay, so this bag, these are a whole bunch of jelly handbags. Okay, this one. I got the, wait, how do you open this? Okay. I got the Chinese food box bags. I got them, I think, in 3 colors. I think I got the pink one, I got black, and then I think I got white. But y'all, look at this. So they went ahead and put the chain on the inside of it, and also put some tissue paper so that the box wouldn't lose its shape. And I'm so excited for this. I'm getting one of them. But I'm so excited for this bag, y'all. I'm so excited for all of this stuff to be up on my website. After I'm done shooting this video, I'm going to include some footage of me actually how I take pictures, but I do want to make that a whole separate video, just because I put a lot of effort into making my pictures look like real professional. I think I'm going to put this to the side for myself. So Here is another handbag that I was really anxious and really debating on if I really wanted to include it or not, but I thought it was so cute. I like different looking types of stuff, so I really thought this is like a cute handbag. It gives me graffiti vibes, but like more cuter and classier graffiti, if that's a thing. But yeah, I just thought this was cute. I think I got this in 3 colors as well. But guys, next thing that I went ahead and opened up were my headbands. So I went ahead and ordered the really cute neon colored ones. I got these in pink, green, the neon color in blue, and I think I got like a light pink and a dark pink as well. And then I also got the bedazzled ones in different colors as well. These will be available for individual purchases as well as wholesale. So yeah, go ahead and cop y'all some headbands. I'm not charging $25 like I've seen literally almost everyone who's selling these headbands. I'm not charging you guys $25 for these. They were quite a bit more expensive than I thought they were going to be. So of course I'm going to price it to the point where I can make at least a little bit of profit. But I'm not charging out $25 for these headbands for individual purchases, no. But these are super cute, and I'm excited to add these to my website as well. So this thing I was really hesitant on purchasing, but I just wanted to order just a few just to see how they'll do. As you guys know, I really do want to become a one-stop shop for business purposes. Everything that you need, you can get it online in my store, my online store. So I did order jewelry. As you guys know, I'm already in jewelry, but I decided to branch out into earrings. So I got some different looking, can you guys see this? I got some different pairs of earrings that I really thought were cute, and these will be going up on my website today as well. By the time you guys see this video, everything should be up on my website. And then I think that's it, guys. I don't want to open all of the other boxes of purses on camera, but because I have so many boxes of big boxes of purses. I'm so happy to be including this new stuff in on my website. If you guys want to go ahead and shop with me, I would really love it and love you guys forever. My website is www.aloresdynasty.com, and that'll also be down in the description box below. If you guys have some more ideas as far as what types of videos you guys want to see from me, go ahead and include those in the comment section below. I'm literally open to doing any types of videos that you guys want to see. Just let me know what you guys want to see. Again, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, as well as comment down in the comment section below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.